Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a wheel swap on this 83 Chevy Silverado, brand new. I was only able to find one. Oh, look at that. It says 2017 even though it should say 2018. That's weird. But hey, let's go. There you have it. The quickest wheel swap ever. There you have it. Actually, I cheated. As you can see, I already opened the blister with acetone. I already opened the car with soldering iron. I have a video on that too. And these are airbrushed wheels, and they've been axle modified just to fit this casting using the crimp tubes. I also got a video on that. So thank you for watching. And I got myself a super.